I know, that was frustrating.
That wasn't nice.
Here, let us help you. We'll help you get the balls.
I'll help you.
Yep, put that there.
You want to sit on this one? Here, let's sit on this one. You hold this, and then you want to sit. Okay, how are you going to do all three? Ball. Ball.
A ball, that's right.
Ball.
A ball.
It's an orange ball. What are you doing, Daddy?
Boing, 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 boing. Boing, boing. Here you go.
No.
Alright, you got two.
Oh, shh. Alright, Mommy's a hazard. That Mommy does with the ball downstairs. Here. You can't lift all three.
You're gonna carry all three? Ball.
Ball. It's too.
You got the two biggest ones. You gonna carry them all?
Here we go. Do you want to help up? You got it? Got it. Alright, ready? Here, why don't you stand? Oh, you want Mommy to carry him?
Balls.
Got it? You do got it. Good job, Mia. I feel like she's thinking, where can I put that third one?
Yep.
I know. It's not fair. It's not. It's okay. Jeez. It's okay.
Alright, regroup.
Fed up with that one.
Came right back to you.
There you go. That's right. So we do, right? We bounce on the ball. Yay! Careful. She's a beast. You got some strong legs. Oh. Plow on the floor in a second. Good? Yep. Get it back. Oh my gosh. You're so... She gets really going, doesn't she?
Big time.
That's some good, like, oh! You're okay!